Before you buy Clever AI Studio, you need to watch this because this tool looks powerful, but is it actually useful for beginner? Let me be honest with you in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to Stack Review. If you are searching for an honest review of a Clever AI Studio, then you are also looking for a way to use AI to make your work easier or even earn money online. But here is the problem. Most AI tools are confusing, too many options, too many prompts, and still no clear result. You try one tool for writing, another for video, another for design, and in the end, you waste time and money. Now, this is important. What if you could use just one tool that does everything in one place and actually helps you get result? That is where Clever AI Studio comes in. Here is something interesting. I tested Clever AI Studio with a simple task. I gave it a basic website idea, and within minutes it generated content, design, and even marketing ideas. No complicated setup, no long prompts. That is where this tool feels different. Now let me quickly show you what this tool can do. First, it gives you access to 300 plus AI tools. But wait, you don't need to use all of them. It automatically helps you choose what you need. Second, it can scan any website URL and understand your business instantly. That means you don't have to explain everything again and again. Third, it creates content for you. Blogs, ads, social media posts, even video scripts, and everything is ready to use. Fourth is you also get tools for voiceover, design, and SEO. So basically, this is like having a full team inside one dashboard. Now, before we continue with the demo, I want to show you something very special I have put together. Most people fail because they have the tools, but they do not know how to turn that output into actual cash. I created the Clever AI Studio Freelance Income Kit to fix that problem for you and help you get result fast. First, you get the Fiverr Gig Setup Blueprint. This is manual that shows you how to turn your AI asset into a high-ticket services on Fiverr. It helps you build a professional profile so you can start getting recurring income. Next bonus is the Clever AI Studio Freelance Launch Checklist. Then third bonus is the High Demand Service Cheat Sheet. The fourth bonus is Beginner Freelance Mini Guide. My fifth and final bonus is $100 per day freelance case study. The total value of this entire package is $497. But today your price is completely free when you buy Clever AI Studio through my link. Just remember, only the first 50 buyers get all of these bonuses. Click the link in description below and buy through my link. Your bonus package will be waiting for you automatically in members area after you purchase. Let me be honest with you. Clever AI Studio is not for everyone. If you are expecting instant money without doing anything, then this is not for you. But if you want a simple tool that saves time and helps you create content fast, also make you money, then this can be very useful. It is best for beginners, freelancer, affiliate marketers, and content creators. Now, if you want to try Clever AI Studio, you can check the link in the description. Right now, it is available at a launch discount. And if you buy through my link, you will also get all my bonuses, which will help you actually start earning. So don't wait too long. Click the link below, check the details, and see if this is right for you.